In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WPS Office account on desktop. If you are using the WPS Office desktop application and want to permanently remove your account, this process can feel a bit confusing at first because the option is not immediately visible. However, once you know where to look and what requirements need to be completed, the process becomes much clearer and easier to manage. In this video, I will guide you through everything step by step so you can delete your account safely and without running into errors. To begin, open the WPS Office desktop app and look toward the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon, then click on your displayed name. This will redirect you to a page that mainly focuses on account upgrades and subscription options. Even though this page looks unrelated to account deletion, this is the correct place to start. From there, locate and click on the User Center option at the top of the page. Once the User Center opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Near the lower section, you will see the option to delete your WPS account. Click on Delete to proceed. At this point, the system will begin a security check to protect your account information and digital assets. Before the deletion can be completed, several conditions must be met. First, make sure that there are no documents stored in your account. Any remaining files can cause the deletion process to fail, so ensure that all documents have been removed beforehand. Next, confirm that your account is no longer part of any teams. You must leave and log out of all teams associated with your account. Accounts connected to team workspaces cannot be deleted until they are fully removed from those teams. Another important requirement is related to administrative roles. If your account is assigned as an enterprise super administrator, you must transfer that role to another account before proceeding. The system will not allow deletion if your account still holds this responsibility. You also need to make sure that there are no active auto-renewable subscriptions linked to your account. Some subscriptions started through third-party platforms may not be cancelable directly within WPS. In those cases, you must cancel them through the original platform where they were initiated. If any active subscription is detected, the account deletion will fail. Once all requirements are completed, the system will allow the deletion to proceed successfully. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.